Hi class. We have the seventh class for integration. Um, Here, this is what we have. It's obvious that we are coming to perform definite integration. Yeah, this one is a definite integral. Why? Because there are limits. So what we do is, first of all, the question says the integral of 3x plus 1 dx from 0 to 5. Okay. So whether um, the function, sorry, it is definite integral or what? Or indefinite, you first need to integrate the function that you are given. That is what? Root 3x plus 1. But this root 3x plus 1 can also be written as what we are given raised to the power half. Remember, a to the power half is the same as the square root of a. So meaning this can also be written this way when the need arises. So dx from 0 to 5. So what do we do to integrate this? This we did it in, I think, the fourth lesson. We are in the function here has a power. The expression has a power. So what do we do? Come to think of what we usually say, x to the power n. How do we integrate this? Well, we add 1 to the power. The power comes, so it comes with power n. So if you add 1 to the power, what is the result we have? We have n plus 1, and that is what you bring down. That is integration. So here again, what is the power? The power is half. Is that also? So we say 3x plus 1. The power is half. We add 1 to it, just like we did here. And we bring down half plus 1. Half plus 1. I hope it is clear. But what is the base here? The base is x. What is the base here? 3x plus 1. If you integrate x, sorry, if you differentiate x, what do we get? We get 1. 1 times whatsoever, it is the same as whatsoever. The base is x, and if you differentiate it is 1. 1 times this one here is the same as this one. That is why usually you see it just ends here or it stops here. But here, the base is not just x. If we differentiate the base, it will not give us 1. So we cannot stop here. What is the base? The base is 3x plus 1. If you differentiate 3x, what do we get? We get 3. If you differentiate the constant, what do we get? 0. So it's like if we differentiate this, what do we get? We get 3. So this one we have to say what? Times 3. So this one here times 3. If you want, you can do it here, no problem. Also correct. Can we say plus c? As usual, no, because this is coming with what? Limit. This is definite integration. So we cannot say plus c. So we say from 0 to 5. I hope it is clear. So at the top there we have 3x plus 1. Half plus 1 is 1.5. 1.5. We are having half of what? A loaf of bread, and we are given 1 bread. So how many do you have altogether? You have 1.5. So 1.5 is 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 over. So this is half plus 1 is 1.5. 1.5 is what? Is 3 upon 2. But mind you, there is 3 here. Okay, let me do it a bit by bit. 3 upon 2. So multiply by what? By that 3. Let us don't forget that there are limits from 0 to 5. Good. So we say 3x plus 1 to the power 3 upon 2 over. This will give us 3 times 3 is 9 upon 2. the limit from 0 to 5. Whenever you have double fractions, look at the mean division line. Below the mean division line, there is a fraction. What happens to this fraction? The denominator of that fraction moves to the top. Yeah, this one moves to the top. So what happens? We have 2 multiplied 3x plus 1, 3 upon 2 over 9. So from 0 to 5. So what is next? We substitute the limit, but we'll start with the upper limit. So we say 2 into 3 times x. X is 5 plus 1, 3 upon 2. If you observe, the bracket changes. Parentheses, then we have bracket outside. Okay. So over what? 9 minus. This one is a single term, so it's not composite to be in a bracket as usual. So now it is time to use 0. So 2 into 3 times x. What is x? 0 now. Plus 1, 3 upon 2 over 9. I hope it is clear. We started by substituting this. Then later we'll see what we use 0. So this is 2 into 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16 raised to 3 upon 2 over 9 minus 3 times 0, 0. 0 plus 1. 3 times 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 raised to any value is 1. So 2 into 1 over 9. I hope it is clear. So now we say, permit me to take off this. Okay, so now we say 2 into 16 is the same as what? 4 squared. 4 squared. But there is something outside, which is 3 upon 2 over 9 minus 2 times 1 is 2 over 9. 2 times 1 is 2 over 9. So this takes away this. 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 is 64. 64 times 2, 128 over 9, 2 over 9. So 128 minus 2 over 9. We are lucky the denominators are the same. So 126 over 9. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well.